Alright guys, let's do a little live dive today. Sorry for that beeping. New car, same beep. I do unbuckle when I turn the corner just so it's easy to get out. But I'm still holding out hope for Easter because in the past I looked back and I didn't find some of my Easter hauls until over a month after Easter. So we're going to check it out. We're here at a pharmacy. Nothing. We'll come back later though because this store I usually have luck with later today. This is a dollar store. Alright, so it looks like those little steaks and some frozen vegetables, but it's been warm, so I'm not gonna... Alright, they are getting a delivery right now, so we're gonna be a little quiet, but we're at the next stop. Something gross right there. Broken frames maybe. Oh, there's the pasta sauce. I don't think I'm gonna take that. Nah. This is another dollar store. Sorry it's loud. Pretty much empty. Walking up to the grocery store here. I seen almond milk on the ground, but fingers crossed for some bananas still. Oh wow. Alright, we got lots of fruit, that's for sure. I'm definitely gonna take some stuff today. Lots of stuff in here, that's exciting. Alright, I'm about to go into the bed and bath store, but I can already see that they dumped, I don't know what they used recently, but they dumped this stuff on it, so I'll show you guys. It's pretty gross. It looks like blood, but I think it's iced tea or something like that. Yeah, see how gross that looks? I think that's in there. I'm gonna have to check. Guys, I can't get those two boxes out on my own, but they're definitely in there. They're two, like furniture pieces. This one's a TV stand, so I'm gonna try again in a little bit. Alright guys, you can't see that very well, but I came back to try to get those things, but they're getting a delivery and there's someone outside right now. It looks like they're getting two deliveries. But there's another dumpster diver right here in front of me. He's checking out these ones, which I've already been to. But back here is where those furniture pieces are. And I was going to try again. So now I guess I'm just going to have to wait. It wasn't easy, but I got them in here. Both of them. It's upside down, but that's like a hall mud room type thing. And that's a coffee table, but whew, it was tough. I got them on my own. I waited. They fit in my car just perfectly, so that's super exciting. Next stop, it looks kind of empty from here, but oh, part of a cute little chair, but yeah, empty. Next stop, I haven't found anything here in a long time, and I'm hoping this is like a home everything store, so hopefully there's something today. Fingers crossed, but not getting my hopes up. Not sure. I don't think so. Unfortunate. Next stop, same store, different location. I don't ever really find anything here, really, but we'll still check. Nope, nothing today. That is my sometimes favorite dumpster. I haven't hit a big haul there in a while, so I'm hoping today might be the day, but I was about to pull up, but the doors are open, so I'm going to wait it out. I'm going to go to the other end of the strip mall and then come right back, but hopefully they're going to throw out some good stuff. I came a little bit earlier than usual today to try to beat the competition that I know I have, so I'll keep you guys updated. They actually shut the doors, so I swung back around. Let's check it out. Broken glass, it looks like over there. Let's go check. Yeah, broken. I'll check out that, whatever those are called, I can't remember. Not too much at that last one, so hopefully here. I don't know, though. Bunch of feathers, probably a pillow or something. Tons of feathers. Alright. Okay, I'm excited now. I will, get digging. So there was definitely some stuff that they purposely destroyed in there, which is unfortunate, but I did manage to save this. So, sad that they destroyed things, but happy that they left some things for me to find. I just pulled a few things out of here that they have tried to destroy, but look at this. It's like a little Buddha baby that they spray painted. It's playing the triangle. It was $60. I'm not going to take that, but I thought it was interesting. Okay, this is the grocery store that I have been hitting. As you can see, they have a compactor. However, there's a cart right here, and these two little trash bins, where's my finger? Right there, are what I found the cake and all that stuff in last time. So, the door is shut, so I think I'm gonna go take a little peek and see if I can find anything else today. It looks like maybe bread, which I don't really need, but we'll see. I bet you guys already know what store this is with all the spray paint on the dumpster and the ground, but if not, it's the Bed and Bath store. So let's check. Looks like someone was dumping. Yeah, I'm gonna say no go on that. Okay, we started the live dive here this morning, and we're gonna end it here again today, see if they threw anything else out here at the pharmacy, and obviously they have, because the dumpster lid is open, so I'm not sure if it's anything good, but I've had success here on this date in the past. But I've done quite a bit of diving today. I took a break in between, did some errands, cleaned a little bit, did all that stuff. But as always, thank you guys for sticking along. Watch out for the live or the haul of all that I have found today tomorrow morning, most likely. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm always posting new dumpster dive hauls. So let's check out this last dumpster. Oh man, it was somebody's personal dumping. Oh, that's no good. Not ending on the greatest note, but still a pretty good day. Thanks for watching.